Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to unbox Rambler, Gambler's Choice. His Wahoo King is the mold. One of 3 colors available. Any one of those colors look nice. You had a Leopard Appaloosa, got a Bay Pinto, and a gray. So let's see what we got here. Come on, open up. Open, 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 open. Some of you will remember that commercial. Open, 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 open. This was the shipping box, in case you're wondering. It's kind of flimsy, but I guess it saves on shipping. What did we get? We got the gray. How much I like dapple grays. He's just a gray, and I don't really collect to this size. Oh, he's really glossy too, but he wasn't that expensive, so I might make him a saddle and put him up for sale as a horse with tack. Come on out. Wow. Dapple gray. See, I might have to keep him now. Oh, I might have to keep him now. What am I gonna do? Oh, he's so pretty. So I do want to get the tape off of him there. Wow. Okay. Really nice dapple gray. I thought it was just a gray. It's a nice dapple gray. See, this is why it's so hard to let these go. Because I love the dapple gray. Oh, and it's got the post. See, the original Wahoo had that post, and so he's more in a launching pose, which is what he should be, so he's up above. And so the original release had that, and I'm so glad they did that for him. Oh, that's awesome. It's got a little bit of a rub right there. A little bit of a rub. And it came factory like that. Still can do performance, just looks like a spot in his sock. Alright, I'm happy with him. He's pretty cool. I like him. I like him. I don't know, what do you think? He's pretty. All right. So thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a good day.